Is your Rangehood sounding a bit louder and not really clearing any smoke? It's probably time to clean the filters. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to clean the filters and the Rangehood. To get started, you'll need degreasing dish soap, sponge, microfibers, a large sink and plenty of hot water. Step 1. Remove the filters. Most Rangehoods have a simple latch or tab you push to release them. Next, fill your sink with hot water. The hotter the better. You'll need to add a generous serve of dish soap to the hot water and then fully submerge the filters inside. You'll need to let that sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll actually see the grease start to float to the top. Once the grease is softened, give them a gentle scrub using a sponge. Avoid anything abrasive like steel wool as you'll damage the mesh. You'll then need to run the filter under hot running water to remove any excess until they feel squeaky clean. While the filters are drying, give the Rangehood a wipe down with warm soapy water. Can I just put the filters in the dishwasher? While filters are technically dishwasher safe, we would recommend cleaning manually as the harsh heat and chemicals will tarnish the mesh over time. How often should I actually clean the filters? If you cook with oil daily, a gold standard is once a month. A simple way of testing if your filters are working properly is by holding a paper towel up to the filter while the fan is on high. If it doesn't stick, it's blocked by grease. I hope these tips help you get your home looking its absolute best. If you'd like to see more expert cleaning advice, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and save for later. Or jump onto Airtasker, post a task and have a tasker come out today.